What's going on, everybody? Grim Repair here. Today I'm going to show you how to change the back handle on your square body Suburban. My button here is stuck, and even if I push it up and push it in, it still doesn't grab for some reason. And if you're like me, you installed this on the inside, so you can just open it up from the inside. And if you're interested in having this, I'll link the video up here. I'll put it down in the description. I'll put it at the end of the video or something. You probably don't have this, so I'm gonna have to show you how to get in from the outside so we don't damage anything when we pull this off. If you try to remove the door panels with the door closed, you're probably gonna end up damaging them. So I'm gonna have to drill a hole here, and it's gonna have to be unlocked for this to work. So there we go. Now we can remove all these screws without breaking things. I'll take a Phillips screwdriver, remove the side panel here. It's a lot longer here from inside. Got a couple screws here hidden in the carpet. Some more down here. Another one here, here, and there. I'm gonna go ahead and pull those out. Now we're gonna pull these out. Kind of swing the door closed a little. Alright, now this should come out. This one was just kind of spinning, so it's stripped, so I'm going to be careful right there. There we go. Just kind of reached up, pulled it out a little while I unscrewed it. I'm gonna pull this thing I added out off, and that's gonna slide through the hole. There we go. Alright, now there's two bolts holding the handle on. One's right there, the other one's going to be on the other side of the button you got to push to get in. Oh, it's right here actually. Right there. Another 11mm. I'm going to have to keep these bolts because the new handle didn't come with bolts. Just slide that in there. Loosen it, hold the handle at the same time. And it's out. The inside one is a lot shorter. Our new handle came with new door gaskets, so we're gonna go ahead and pull these off and wipe the area down, make sure it's clean. Alright, we got this wiped up and we stuck our new gaskets on there. Get it started by hand, you don't want to cross thread it. Same thing with the inside one. All right, go ahead and tighten them up. Notice how I'm grabbing the end of this wrench here. I'm not going crazy tight on them. These handles really aren't all that strong. Make sure that it does what it's supposed to. Looks like it. Let's close it and see. There we go. I'm just going to put everything back together. Same way it came out. If this video helps you out, be sure to give it a like. Thanks for watching. High five, you did it.